Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. So far we have learned the certified ethical hacking, like all the module. So now we are going to learn with the certified ethical hacking with an artificial intelligence as an AI. So how AI is driven and ethical hacking helps to an ethical hacker. So AI-driven ethical hacking enhances the efficiency and effectiveness and scope of a cybersecurity measures by providing an ethical hacker with a powerful tools and safeguard the digital assets against the increasingly sophisticated by cyber threats like automation and repetitive tasks and predictive analysis and advanced threat detection and enhanced decision making, adaptive learning and enhanced reporting and simulation and testing, scalability and continuous monitoring and adaptive defense mechanisms. So, the main here, what we are going to discuss in certified ethical hacking with the AI. So, we are going to utilize the same as format in certified ethical hacking as here also, but we are using with an ChatGPT. So, I can going to provide you uh, some other useful tools and everything here. So, what are the modules we are going to discuss here? The modules we are going to discuss here: footprinting and reconnaissance, scanning networks, enumeration, vulnerability analysis, system hacking, malware threats, sniffing, social engineering, denial of services, and session hijacking, evading IDs and firewalls and honeypots, and hacking a web servers, and hacking a web applications, SQL injection, hacking a wireless network, hacking a mobile platforms, IoT and OT hacking, and cloud computing, and cryptography. So, why we would like to use a ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powered AI tool for ethical hackers. ChatGPT AI tool leverages the capabilities of OpenAI ChatGPT model to assist a ethical hacker in various aspects of their work. Like, what are the main features you can get it to use this as an ethical hacking as a ChatGPT? Configuring and collecting a data from a wide range of sources, including a social media, forums, website, and public databases. So, you literally don't know because ChatGPT will block you if you enter ask, and that will say automatically I can't even assist with that. But we are going to using against by that by using a natural language process and machine learning, provide a real-time assistant and automate the task and enhance the capabilities of security professionals and integration with the threat intelligence and databases to provide context and additional information about identify the threats. Now, we are going to use uh, what type of uh, similar like a chat GPTs we are going to use. So we have various tools like a shell GPT. So let me, I would like to show you here. Let's come back. You just type here as a shell GPT. Let it be would like here. So here, uh, this is directly here. So we would like to use here a shell GPT. So it's like an powerful. So what was written here? So PSD1. So here you can see our Shell GPT. So Shell GPT is an AI powered tool that enhances the accuracy in managing a complex system, writing a secure code and automating a uh, repetitive tasks such as a variety of shell and command line tasks. Like in this, what else the main features we can get here? So open API key is also required here for the Shell GPT. You can look here. So scroll down. So is generating a shell commands, like provide the necessary commands to help you to navigate through a complex system effortlessly. Completing a shell commands, like it suggests a completion and ensures the accurate and efficient command execution. Writing a code snippets, assist and generating a secure code in various programming languages to enhance the hacking toolkit. Creating a comments and documentation explains the intricate code block and scripts and making a collaboration smoother and code releases more readable, user friendly, and transparent. That's it. So, also similar like a shell GPT, we can also get like uh, AutoGPT. So I can show you here as AutoGPT. So we would like to utilize this AutoGPT also. So AutoGPT is an AI-powered tool designed to automate the task, execution, and data processing. It leverages the capabilities of advanced AI modules to generate a actionable insights, a streamlined workflow, and enhance the decision-making process in various domains, including in the cybersecurity. So, and WormGPT. So, once you look here as a WormGPT, uh, where is this? So, we would like to look here, is this a WormGPT? So we can look here. A WormGPT, new AI tool, allows a cyber criminals to launch sophisticated cyber attacks, but we would like to use for only for ethical hacking. So WormGPT is an AI-powered tool and assists for the cybersecurity professionals in automating the generation in worm-like scripts and payloads. It leverages AI create a sophisticated malware for testing and defense purpose, ensuring that robust security measures are in place. Now we would like to come back. Now we would like to utilize another one as, so just type it as ChatGPT with the Dan prompt. So ChatGPT with the Dan prompt, it's a customized version. ChatGPT utilizes the Dan. Do anything now. Uh, Prompt to enhance its capabilities. This tool enables ethical hackers to perform a wide range of tasks by leveraging the flexibility power of Dan prompts. So you can look here. This jail prompt, stand prompt, dude prompt, mango tom prompt. So we can get all the informations. Now we have back here. So we also have one more tool named called a Freedom GPT. So, this a Freedom GPT is an AI tool designed to provide ethical hackers with an unrestricted access to an AI. It aims to bypass a traditional content filter and restrictions, allowing a users to explore a wide range of functionalities and informations. So, you can look here, chat.freedom.gpt. So, you can select a module versions here. Uh, uh, you can chat GPT 4 with Omini. So you can ask anything else. Like I write here, like write a payload with the in PHP shellcode, PHP reversion. So it asks her to log in. So it must should be we need to log in here. Then we would like to look here. So it must should be need to buy a credits here, then affiliate program, and login to get a 50 credits. So it's a paid one. Now we would like to look as another one as a fraud GPT. So it is an AI specially designed to detect and prevent a fraudulent activities It leverages machine learning and AI to analyze a pattern to identify a suspicious uh, behavior and provide actionable insights to mitigate the fraud. So you can look here hacker node in this. Now we can look also ChaosGPT. So ChaosGPT is an AI tool designed to simulate and understand the chaotic and unpredictable behavior. So this it will load a little bit time. Now the last one is a PoisonGPT. So PoisonGPT is an AI power tool to introduce a malicious module into uh, a trusted AI system. It used to study and understand the implications of AI module poisoning, helping to develop and defense against such type of attacks. So this is very good. Uh, like here as poison, there is this WormGPT and Poison, a top 10 securities. Poison GPT. So this is a Poison GPT. So I can provide all the tools here after the course is over. Okay. So that's it. So we are going to start from one live session will come by everything by AI driven one, and another live session will come all practical based. That's it. So thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.